Okay, are we ready to get started?
49 not finished.
Okay, so let's get started. First things first, let's get our math textbook, and we are going to go to page, what page, let's have a look. Page, we're going to page 50. 50.
แล้วเปิดกะไปเยอะ50 10 50อะไรได้10อะไรหรอ50ทำไป10เท่าไหร่
Okay, are we all ready? It's okay. You can finish page 49 after our lesson. We need to start on page 50. Okay, hold on, students. I'm getting a lot of noise. I'm just trying to figure out where it's coming from. So I'm going to mute. Okay, I'm going to mute students, then unmute you again. Don't worry. Okay. Right. We're going to ask the other students to unmute again.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm hearing lots of noise. I'm trying to cut out the noise. Okay. I don't know where it's coming from. Oh, I hear Teacher Dan in the background. Okay, let's get started. Okay, page 50. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I want everybody to look at our example at the top. Can you see our example? Yes, okay. So our example, we have 3 bananas and 3 oranges. You agree? And now we're going to learn how to make sums out of those 3 numbers. So we have 3, 5, and 2. So we're going to learn to make different sums. Okay, students, we're getting very loud. We need to quiet down. Otherwise, I'm going to have to mute everybody. We mustn't be loud. Okay, so I want us to look at A. A says there are 3 bananas and 2 oranges. So 3 bananas and our 2 oranges. How many fruits are there altogether? Very good. Yes. Very simple. So the way to write our sum, we can either write 2 plus 3 equals 5, or we can write 3 plus 2 equals 5. So can you see, we can write it 2 ways. We can either write 2 plus 3 equals 5, or we can write 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, so we can write this sum in 2 ways. Okay. Next, we're going to look at the 2 ways we can subtract, the 2 ways we can minus. So let's read B. So B says there are 5 fruits. 3 of them are bananas. How many oranges are there? So what they did, we did 5 minus 3 equals 2. That's the first way to do it. So it's 5 minus 3 equals 2. So that's the first sum we can do. Okay. Next one we can do it C. There are 5 fruits. 2 of them are oranges. How many bananas are there? So our answer will be 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, so I'm going to try explain again.
3.
So with our sums, there are two ways to add the numbers and two ways to subtract the numbers. When we are subtracting, each sum will give us a different number. Oh, okay. Hold on, students. I'm gonna mute everyone. There's too much noise. I'm gonna ask students to unmute again. Okay, hold on. I need to determine where the noise is coming from. So first, Jawa, can you unmute? Where's Jawa? Jawa, can you unmute, please? And I'm gonna ask Rain.
Hello.
Okay. Tonam.
Hello.
Hello, hello, okay. I'm not hearing the noise so far, so that's good. Who else did I have? Lemon, can you unmute? Okay, I think that's good. I'm not hearing the noise anymore. DR? You unmute? Okay, let's carry on. Let's carry on. I'm going to lower the hands.
Because you need the right equipment to do this. If you do have a projector and you want to try this question, also.
Okay, let's carry on. We are going to go to page 51, please. 51. I'm just going to lower everybody's hands because I can't see.
51.
Page
So if
51.
Otherwise, finish this one. This one.
Teacher.
51. Yes, Porsche. Hello, Porsche.
I'm it's the 35. I'm done. I'm done.
Did you?
เขาจะถามว่าอะไรลูก
น้องเขายังไม่ได้ท
ฮะ
Say again, Porsche.
เด็กเก็ต
I'm no.
Which one are you not finished with? What page?
start learning
Start learning
already
already. I'm no ready.
Okay, okay. Suppose, do you have your math textbook ready? First things first. Do you have this book?
Yes.
Yes. Are you on page 51?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we're starting on page 51. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Is this? I'm not finished.
What page?
50
50.
Okay, there was nothing to do on page 50. We just spoke about page 50. So page 51, we're going to do examples of what we spoke about on page 50. So it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, are we all ready? You're welcome. Okay. I'm lowering hands. Too many hands. Cool. Okay, let's carry on. Page 50. Everyone needs to move to the bottom so I can see. Okay. So if you look at your screen, so in your book, you have the numbers, but on our screen, it's blank.
3, 2, and 5.
Yes. So first things we need to read. Okay. So at the top, it says we can write. Hold on, everybody. Okay. So it says we can write 4 number sentences from this number bond. So we can write 4 sums from this number bond. So let's look at our first one. Our first one, we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Yes?
Yes.
So that's the first one. Our second one can be 2 plus 3 equals 5. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you first see our first addition sums? So this is addition, these are adding. So these are the first 2 ways we can write addition sums. So we have the 3 plus 2 and the 2 plus 3. Okay, next we're going to do subtraction. So our first subtraction can be 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now remember, when we do subtraction, the first number must always be the biggest number. So in our number bond, our biggest number is 5. So it's always going to be 5 minus something. So let's look at number 4, the next one. Number 4 again is 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, do we understand? It's a little tricky to explain. So I'll go over it one more time. So here's our number bond. If we do addition sums, we have 2 ways to write addition sums. So it'll be 3 plus 2 and 2 plus 3. Okay. And when we do subtraction, we always start with the biggest number, which is 5, and then we minus 3 or 2. So our first one was the 5 minus 3, and then we had the 5 minus 2. Okay, so now let's look at the exercise on page 51. We're going to look at the exercise, and let's see if we can figure it out. Okay, so let's have a look. So it says write 4 number sentences from this number bond. So this is our number bond. So first we're going to do addition. We're going to do plus. So we can do, let's have a look. Oh wait, we did subtractions. My apologies. Subtractions first. So our first one in subtraction, we always deal with the big number first. So it'll always be 10 minus 3 or 7. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. So I'd like you to write 10 minus 3 equals 7. Does everyone have their hand raised? I'm lowering hands. Hands. Okay. Okay, so now let's look at our next sum we can write. So we're going to do another subtraction. So when we do subtraction, we always start with the big number. So our big number is always going to be 10. So it's going to be 10 minus which number? 10 minus 3 or 10 minus 7? Which one? See, we've done 3 already, so it's got to be 10 minus 7. So we're going to have 10 minus 7 equals 3. Okay, do we understand? Okay, so let's do our next one. We're going to do our next one. So next we're going to do addition. We're going to do adding. So let's have a look at our first set. So we need to make 10. We always need to make 10. So our first way we can do, let's have a look. We did 7 plus 3 equals 10. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. When we're doing addition, it must always lead up to the 10, the number in red.
What is my house?
Okay. Oh, Min is showing you. Very good, Min. Min's done already. Good job, Min. Okay, let's do our next one. So our next one is also going to be an addition, which is plus. So we're going to start with the 3. So we're going to go 3 plus 7 equals 10. So 3 plus 7 equals 10.
ไม่ใช่งูโยกไม่
Okay. Okay, let's do exercise number 2. We ready for number 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so number 2, it says, what does, and then we have a diamond, stand for in each number bond? So we need to figure out the missing number. So A is 6 plus what equals 7? 1. Very good.
One.
So our missing number was 1. So please write 1.
What's the one?
Okay, let's do B. Plus 4 equals 8. Very good. 4. Good job, Min. Min, you can unmute, please.
Hello.
Hello, Min.
Hello.
How are you today, Min?
Happy.
Very good. Okay. Everybody finished with page 51?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let me go have a look, see if everyone's finished.
Finish.
It seems like
Finished.
everybody is finished.
Finish.
Good. Yeah. Okay, very good. Okay, next, we're going to get our workbook. So we close this one and we want our workbook, please. Workbook.
Please. Workbook.
Mm.
Workbook. Workbook.
Workbook.
Teacher, workbook.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, workbook. We are on page. What page are we on?
50.
8.
48.
8.
48.
Where's 48 in my side? I need to look. 46. There we go. 48. Yeah.
I see it.
You got it? Very good. Very good. Okay, is everybody on page 48? Sorry. Sorry about that. Okay.
Draw an airplane.
Yes, we have dolls and airplanes. Very good. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we are first going to start with number 1. Hold on, now it's going to move. Yeah, so we're going to start with exercise 1. Exercise 1 says, look at the pictures shown below. So we have our dolls and airplanes. Use it to write 4 number sentences. So remember our number sentences we've been working on? So let's do our first one. Our first one is addition. So our first one is plus. So let's go with 4 because we have 4 dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So our 4 dolls plus our 3 airplanes equals
7.
very good 7.
3.
Okay, let's do our next one. Our next one is going to be minus. So minus subtraction. So what is the bigger number?
7.
7. Very good. So we're gonna have 7 because we have 7 altogether. 7 minus, let's see, what is it gonna be? 3. Oh, I did 3. You can do 3 or 4. I did 3. So 7 minus 3 equals? Who can tell me?
4.
Very good.
4.
4.
5.
Okay, let's do our next one. Our next one, we're going to do addition, so adding. So in our first one, we did 4 plus 3. So our next one has to be 3. So 3 airplanes plus 4 dolls equals?
Plus 4 equals 7.
7. Very good. Nice and easy. Okay. So next one is subtraction, minus. So first thing, what is the big number?
7.
7.
7.
I have to start with 7. Can we say 7 minus 3? No, because we used 3 already. So our answer has to be 4. So it's going to be 7 minus 4. Which equals?
Equals 3.
Very good. 3. Good job. Okay, I'll give everybody a moment to write everything.
Me finish.
Very
เจ๊
good.
กำลังจะมัดผมให้มัน
Very good.
ให้น้องซากุระก้าววิ่งจิบรึกปึกจิบรึกเราผมยาวถึงเนี่ยจิบรึก
Okay, is everybody finished?
finish
Very good. Having a look to see if everyone's finished. Okay, I still see some students writing, so we're going to wait a bit.
we finish
Very good.
ก็จะเห็นซินเดอเรลล่ามีกำลังเพชรเพชรสูตรเพชรสูตร
Okay, let's move on. Next, we're going to do number 2, exercise 2. Are we ready?
yes okay
Okay, let me move you. Okay, so for each number bond, write down all the number sentences.
ตอนนี้คือ
So we're going to start with A.
นี่คือแม่บ้าน
Are we all ready?
ready
Okay, so let's start with A. The first one we can write is, we're going to have 8 minus 5 equals 3. That's our first one we can write.
Okay.
Okay. Our next one. Hope we have enough time. We're running out of time. Our next one can be, we can have 8 again. 8 minus 3 equals 5.
ตัวควาย
Yes.
finish
Very good. Okay, now let's see what we can do next. Next, we're going to do addition. So we're going to do adding. So we can do 5 plus 3 equals 8.
ภาษีอีกตัวเอง
Very good.
เป็นคนแต่งThat's why equal A.
Very good. And then our next one can be 3. There we go. 3 plus 5. Yes, very good. Very good. That's good. I'm happy it's easy. Okay. Next, let's look at B. Let's look at B. So first with B, we're going to do 10 minus 5 equals 5.
equal 5
Yes.
bear
Okay. So we're only going to write it down once because if we write again, so we did this way. 10 minus.
so I not finished
Which one you not finished, Jawa? A or B?
A
Okay. Tell me when you finished. We're going to wait for Jawa. Let me know when you finished.
โอ้ไม่นะตัวใหญ่กว่านี้ก็ได้นะแม่จ๋าตัวที่รักมากเลย It's already finished
Okay. Jawa, you finished?
finished
Okay. So let's look at B. The next way we can do a subtract and addition. Sorry, we're going to do addition. Addition, we can only have 5 plus 5.
5
equals 10. Yes, very good.
ลบ5เท่ากับ5เวท
Very good, everybody.
แล้วก็ตัวเท่ากับ
Okay, let me know when you finished. And then we're going to try do page 49 if we have enough time.
Finish. ที่มันใช้ไปง่าย
Okay, everybody finished?
Finish.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, let's go to page 49. Let's see if we can finish page 49.
ที่นั่นแล้ว
Page
เหรอ
49. Very good, Min.
บ้างนะ
Page 49. Okay,
สี่
let's get started on page 49. So we need to fill in the missing numbers. So first things first, it says, children are playing. How many children are playing?
4
Oh, yes, very good. 4. 4. Okay, then it says, more children walk over to join them. So how many are coming to play? 5. Very good. 5. So next we need to write our number sentence.
เป็น
So our number sentence will be 4 plus 5 equals 9. Very good. And then our last sentence says, there are children altogether. I'll say 9. Very good, everybody. Good job. Very good.
หนูลบเกลี้ยงมากเลย
Everybody finished? Yes? Okay. Let's move on to number 4. Let's go number 4. Okay, so number 4 says, Lisa has 12 goldfish. 12 goldfish. She gets 3 more goldfish from her father. How many goldfish does she have now?
15
So
ไม่ได้
first, first we need to write out 12. Now is it, are we going to plus or minus?
12
We're going to plus. So 12 plus 3 equals
15
15. Very good. Okay, so she has 15 goldfish. Okay, students, quickly write because we're about to run out of time. Quickly, quickly. If the video ends, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to move on. We're going to end there. Thank you, everybody. The video is going to end shortly. So bye-bye, everybody. I will see you tomorrow, okay? Bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.